So now that you've completed your Google project, it's time to share it with others. So you could submit it to an authentic audience, publish it to the web, or submit it to Schoology for a teacher to review. So I'm in my Google Earth project, and you can see I have all my different stops, and I've edited and revised, and I've reviewed my materials. I'm going to go up to the little person, and you're going to see Share Project. And obviously, if I'm working in a group project, I may share it with other people. But remember, because I am the owner, even if someone has editing rights, they could change it. But at the end of the day, it will live with me as the official owner in my Google Drive. So again, we're going to go down to Get Link. Wilton Public Schools, anyone in this group can view the link. And again, depending on if you need to share it beyond our school, let's say you want to share it with a college or university or an internship, you would want to change this to anyone with the link. So again, depends on what you're looking for. I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to take that link over into my Schoology assignment and add it there. If a teacher is asking me to add it to a Google Doc with all my other peers' links, that's a place I could do it. The other thing I want you to realize is within your Google Drive, there is going to be a Google Earth project folder. So you're going to want to remember that all your Google Earth projects are going to be stored here, and you'll be able to find them at another time. So please remember, there's multiple ways to share this, because I can always click on here with a right click and then get the link as well to share it, or go with a regular sharing option. So remember, there's multiple ways to do this, but you want to make sure you're getting the right link and you have the sharing options set properly so someone could see your work and evaluate it.